Hi everyone, today I have a hazard perception test and I will be playing you a clip and you will need to spot the developing hazard in a residential area. Have a look and watch and pay attention to the clip, to the following clip, and I'll also be giving you the correct answer.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me.
And the correct answer will be circled in red in this clip. Let's have a look again at the correct answer. Please pay attention to the red circle and then I will also give you the explanation to the correct answer.
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you everything? If you wanna run ahead, I'll meet you where the water meets the earth we cling to. If you wanna find the edge, I'll come too. I could run around this world all day with you.
So looking at the clip, you are driving through a residential area. A bend restricts your view of the road ahead. You slow down and you are prepared for any potential hazard you might come across. You then see a cyclist emerging from the junction up ahead to your left. As soon as the cyclist comes into view, it becomes a developing hazard. You slow down and keep a safe distance between you and the cyclist. You cannot overtake the cyclist due to oncoming traffic, so you slow down until it's safe to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you are the first one to know of any new videos I upload. Thanks. Bye.